Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today is March the 16th, 2018, and I'm out visiting my dealer. He's having an open house today, and we're back out here. He's got some new equipment here. Let's go in here and take a look at this here. I'm back here, small engine supply. This here is where I normally come all during the year and for some years to get my equipment here. But today you can see what they have out here. They got some standards, upright standards, Kawasaki engine, pressure washers. They got the Gravely over there. Scag over here.
The thing is, if you are under control and you're going to hit something, just make sure it's something not expensive. Jump in this one. We're going to try this one. This one. The biggest thing is to see it, right? So you get up in the seat, you're going to have the ice fluid up. So as you move around, that will be on there. So if you get both that bumps and that's going to be the difference on it. Similar handles down here, similar that.
Just taking a look at these here, y'all. This is what they got over here for these Scag. Wow, they got one big one up there. Just sold that one. Scag Cheetah. Wow, there's another one. 52. Just sold that one. 52 inch there. Out here taking a look at some of these Skags and the Gravely mowers over here. At small engine supply, as you can see.
That mower that's sitting right there. We gotta get some more mowers built up for you. I can pull it out. Are you thinking you're gonna buy yet, or are you?
Let me
You just got the
a couple weeks ago.
walk around and check out some more here. How you doing?
Doing fine.
Hey, I'm doing all right. So we got Echo. So what we got here? We got Honda. Got some Honda mowers. Echo. Yeah, here y'all, just taking a look at some of these here. Well, take a little walk around. Hey, how you doing there? Oh yeah? Yeah, I
just got there.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I come every year. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Which egg did you win over there?
Now some of the products. Just want to get all the products that he carry. Yeah. Yeah, they carry a lot of good products. I normally come and buy, Echo and some mowers like Scag and the Upright. Hey man, how you doing there?
You all right?
All right, how you doing there?
Good, good.
That's good, man. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, man. And y'all in the video again.
Hey, yeah, are you recording right now?
Okay. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. So you got one of these combi systems right here, y'all. Check it out. It's an Echo. All right, how you doing there? That's good. Good. No, I hadn't gotten anything yet. No. Yeah, all right, how you doing? Combi system? Yeah.
That's on your clipboard.
Just the Echo one.
Excuse me.
Yeah. The Echo. No, you can't just put any of them. Yeah.
A Coke or something? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Hey, got you. We got you. Got a representative now. Oh, we got Honda? All right.
What you got?
Yeah.
They said you're looking for me, so I can't.
All right.
There you go.
Because I was looking because Richard said, well, that's an old brochure. So I looked on the internet trying to figure it out. And
What's your question?
discontinued. It's the one right under the electric start of your. Yeah.
Just everything else. HRR. Is it a 21-inch mower? Or what are we talking about? Lawnmower?
Yeah, the HRX, HYA, but he got an old brochure that showed two HYA, and it showed discontinued. And I said, those are. Now we're on the actual fives.
So the HYA is the current K5, 5th generation. So every 4 to 5 years we'll switch them out.
The bottom line is that one you read, Richard did.
I'd always shoot for the commercial mower. I would.
Yeah.
It's how much?
$11.49.
That's too much.
Something you can pass off to an ex or a son or somebody. It's a nice mower. You get your money. The next step is the HYA. Okay. We got them. I appreciate your patience. Yeah.
Thank you. Let me know what you say. Let me know, James. I will. Promise.
Bye-bye.
About an hour.
All right, everyone. I'm getting ready to leave. Enjoyed my stay here, out here at Small Engine Supply. It was real, had a good time, got a little food to eat, and now I'm finna head back to work. All right, check them out over there. They was right. Tell them what y'all had for, hey, what was the deals for today?
So on the 32 pull starts,
All right.
that got the 16 off for the show, 5804.
5804.
Regularly like 66.
Okay.
So that's a pretty good deal off. So right now everything's 16% off any right mower.
Okay, 6%. Just today.
Just today, but if you sweet talk Richard, you might be able to get him to get something in here next week. But you better act quick.
Okay.
You ain't gonna hold that forever.
All right then.
That's
All
for
right.
sure.
All right. Thanks a lot, man. Take care.
You too.
All right. All right, y'all. Let's go over here and check out Gravely. Let's see what the deals were for Gravely over here. Okay, okay. Let's see. I think they had that 36 Gravely Pro stand. I think for the day they had it for about, I want to say about 5,800 on that one. So that was a pretty good deal.
Okay, all right, we can see you in a second.
What's on the Scag? Oh, the Scag Cheetah.
I bought 2 of them.
2 of them? Yep. 72? Wow.
Why did you buy 2 of them?
I always buy 2 of
This one and that one?
No, I bought 2 72s.
Damn.
272-inch Scag.
See, that's almost too big. We got 10 acres, but our property is like all carved up.
Well,
Wow.
I got 5 61s. I bought 2 62.
Oh,
2 72s.
Richard told me about you.
Yeah.
So real quick, tell me, why Scag versus behind me?
Well, Gravy's good. Gravy's a good machine. I only bought this because of this.
Of the hydraulics?
My
But
guys,
their whole thing is hydraulic.
Okay.
well, not the whole thing, only the seats. Okay? Scag has the only one that's got this platform, and sometimes my guys are riding for 8 hours solid.
Yeah.
You know,
So you need
and-
that. So why? So is that only the Cheetah? Or is
yes,
it
the Cheetah is the only one with this platform.
I got you.
So that's why I buy them. I mean, they're good machines. Both of them are good machines. It's just this I buy for the ride because we do 250 to 300 acres a week, and it's a lot of time in the seat. You know, so I want my guys to be comfortable.
I mean, I do scalping things, and it's not as.
Well, it's like an airplane. There ain't no doubt. You can't run through holes with it. Even the Gravely 72, they're going to stick out past the wheels. The 61s are right at the wheelbase, so you don't scalp as bad. But I mean, this does 28 acres in an 8-hour day. You know, so
62. But I know what
61.
It says 61.
So only for the ride. Only for the ride. And the Kawasaki. I only use Kawasaki engines.
Yeah, I know. Kawasaki.
Right. Oh yeah, 13. Yeah, oh, yeah. For the coverage, yes. But they have a, I mean, you buy 2 and they have a fleet deal, you know.
Well, yeah, because
Right, but yeah, they're worth every penny. I mean, I've had Gravely's and they're good machines. There's nothing wrong with Gravely. I only buy this for the ride, and my guys can adjust the pressure and everything. Right. They're great deals, and they're great machines. There ain't no doubt. But I mean, I buy this for the ride because I spend so many hours in the seat.
But if you weren't on so much, I mean, like in our case, we have 10 acres. If you weren't on that much and you're using it, I mean, it would be exclusively used for that property in other areas. Would you grow this high end up, or would you like knock it down to one of the other newer models, or go this way?
Well, you know, they're both long lasting. It's your preference. This is easy on your body completely. And if you get the 61 or the 52, you know, their ground speed is still 12 miles an hour in low gear. You know, I mean, I mow at 16 mile an hour in these sometimes in large flat areas.
Nice, yeah.
You know, but it's kind of like riding a racehorse. You feel like
You get beat up after a while.
well, no, you don't get beat up on this, but you're going really fast, and it's kind of like riding a racehorse in high gear. But you know, if you're gonna spend, you know,
2 or 3 hours. You know, I don't know what the acreage coverage is on the 52s. You have to ask Justin, but yeah, I do it for the land speed and the coverage.
Gotcha.
You know.
Okay. So you say the Scag gives a comfortable ride,
Yes.
mowing a lot of acreage.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, they have the most, in my opinion, the most comfortable ride.
Okay.
As far as on your body
Right.
and your legs and everything. Now the seat's great,
Okay.
but when you're riding and you're going fast and you want your whole body absorbing in that shock,
Yes.
it's worth it to me.
What's the cost
Okay.
difference between, say, a 72 and a 52? Or because I currently have a John Deere 345 with a 52 deck, and I mean it's
Right. You know, they're really fast. They're really fast machines. The price difference, you just have to talk to Richard. But,
yeah.
you know,
Because I mean, even with this 52, it's got the same suspension setup.
Right. Yeah. Cheetahs. All Cheetahs have the same setup.
Gotcha. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So
My wife is here, so I better go take care of her.
if you're worried about getting beat up riding it all day in the pasture, yeah, this is your machine. You're gonna pay extra for it, but it's your machine.
Right.
You know. I mean, I got one place that's 50 acres and 30 miles of roads that I mow. Just it's 500 acres spread out.
Right.
You know, and for that, these machines are the best.
Well, I mean, I use
Okay.
I have a Kubota with a 5-foot deck on the back of it, and I mean, I run all over the place with that.
Right.
But it doesn't do the quality that this one.
Right.
You know, the cut's not as good.
And it does have the velocity deck, you know, the higher speed deck. So I gotta go get these cars.
Okay, then take care. All right. All right. Yeah. Okay, y'all. I was there was some more information there, y'all, as far as you know what's going on with using the Scag Cheetah. Like you say, he mows like over 500 acres with that Scag Cheetah mower, and he buys it for the ride because it gives a great comfort in riding with that mower. So I just say Scag's a good mower, you know, for the cut quality and the rideability that you get out of that Scag. It's a good mower. Now, you know, some may not like Scag, but hey, there it is. That guy mows a lot of properties, so that's all he buys. And he bought 2 of those 72-inch Scag Cheetah mowers today. So anyway, y'all, I'm finna head on back. I got some more work to do, and I just wanted to take a minute and come up here like I do every year and just share this with y'all on our open house day that my dealer has there, because I come in and out all during the year here, buying, you know, different stuff and all. But anyway, y'all, I'm finna wrap it up, and I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I'll see y'all when I do another one. All right, y'all take care. Bye.